Today I'm going to be showing you types of shots that you can get with for wildlife photography with the Nikon D3500.
Electronic, supersonic.
We're using a Tamron 18 to 270, 3.5 to 6.3. We're going to be putting up the settings that I use for each shot that I've taken, and can show you exactly how to achieve the same shot that I'm getting as well. So for this shot, I was using my Tamron 18 to 270 at 6.3, shutter speed of 1250 frames per second. Alright, now what I want to show you next is a little trick that you can use to add some different elements in your photos in camera instead of having to add things post-processing. So now what you're going to want to do is whatever texture or plane you decide to grab or whatever to get into the shot, you're going to go ahead and you're going to start hanging it in front of your lens like this, and you're just going to draw. So for that shot, I used ISO 100, 3.5 aperture, and 500 shutter speed. There's something over here I want to shoot. Beautiful. Remember, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Alright guys, so I was glad to share some tips and tricks with you on how to get some crisper, nicer, and more abstract wilderness photography. Come back soon for more photography tips.
Electronic, supersonic, supersonic, electronic.